Welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to create a simple REST API using FASTAPI in Python. So here you can see I am on this localhost colon 8000 or 127.0.0.1 colon 8000, and if I go to this API endpoint, so this is a simple API endpoint and it gives a message of hello world. So let's see how to create this. So first what you will have to do is you will have to install Python. It should be at least higher than Python 3.6 because that's what is required by FASTAPI. And if you don't know what FASTAPI, it is a web framework which helps us to create REST APIs basically, but like it is a total web framework. You can host static HTML and CSS, JavaScript, those kind of web apps as well. You can create those. So yeah, that's the first thing. Install Python above 3.6. Next, I have created a directory called first, but you can name it whatever you want. I have cded to the directory. Then I have created a file called main.py, main.py, and here I have created another file called requirements.txt. Then you have to create this virtual environment. So again, you will have to run this command. Next, you have to activate the virtual environment. So I have just run up till this, okay, which will help us to activate the virtual environment. And here then we have to do pip list, which will help us to understand if there are any old dependencies in our app. If there are any, then just run pip install dash upgrade pip, and it will upgrade all those dependency. Then inside requirement.txt I have added two dependency, FASTAPI and UVCon. So FASTAPI again is a web framework, whereas UVCon is a web server which help us to serve our REST APIs. And to install those, you just have to run pip install -r requirements.txt, and it will automatically install FASTAPI as well as UVCon for you. Next, to run this, first you will need to import FASTAPI from FASTAPI. So that's what I have done, as well as I have imported UVCon. Now this part will be only used for production. So for debugging purposes or for testing purpose, you will run something like this. So this won't get run. So you'll just do something like this, and it will provide us with hot reload features. Like anytime you change the code, the server will get automatically updated with the latest code. And here, as you can see, I have created an object for FASTAPI. Then I am calling the get endpoint, like a get request with /. Okay, and here I have defined a method called index. Again, you can name it whatever you want, and here I'm just returning a message of hello world. So yeah, that's how easy it is. Now if you just run this command inside your terminal, it will start your server, and you can just go to this port like 8000, and you should be able to see your API endpoint. So yeah, that's it. Sorry, API response. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.